Welcome to this short video on where to find the exam results overview or broadsheet. Please note this video uses entirely fictional data for training purposes. No real information is shown. To begin, click on Modules, then Examination, and finally Results Overview. The first thing we need to do is check that we have the correct season. So if the season in the box is not the one that you're looking for, click the down arrow next to season. You should then be able to select the season that you need from the list. Next, we need to select the exam level from the list that's available. The next section, we need to select the candidates that we're going to run the report on. To do this, we click Find next to the candidate name. This will open the candidate selection screen. Once again, we'll double check that the season is correct. Then we can either select individuals using the filters on the left-hand side, or if it's all the candidates, simply click on Select All. The candidate selection will then be available in a selection list on our desktop. Next, by ticking on the various buttons, we can add various components that we would like to see on our finished overview. When you're happy with your selections, simply click Export. Next, on the export screen, there's a couple of changes we need to make before we actually run our report. So to do this, click the down arrow next to Microsoft Excel. And from the drop-down list, we're going to select the CSV format. This next section is really important. Please ensure that you have unticked Save DMS Copy. So what we actually want to do is we want to save a local copy. So tick that, but again, please ensure the Save DMS Copy box is unticked. Once we've made all those changes, all we need to do is click Done. We return to the report parameters screen, and once the file has downloaded to your Downloads folder, you will see an indication in the upper right of the screen indicating that the download is complete and that you can open the file. And here's an example of the finished spreadsheet. From here, because it's in CSV format, you can upload it into SMID, or you could convert it into a pivot table to extract the data that you need in an easier format. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions on this subject, please contact the MISS team at miss@rctcbc.gov.uk.